quality of vitality. Once you're inside of that life force feeling, and you have the fluid quality there, just very gently start with your wrist and hand to elbow, and just pull everything open. And do it so gently that you continue maintaining awareness of the energy while you pull those joints open. So the feeling is that you pull on me very gently, and then maintain energy awareness, and then very, very gently pull me towards you, yeah? Okay, now those muscles using to pull me, you relax them, and then you generate that same mechanic as you pay attention to energy. So you pull me towards you, yeah? Now feel the muscles you're using, relax and hang those muscles. Now vital breathe, and then create that same alignment in the pull. And as you pluck the joints open or pull the joints open while maintaining awareness of energy, it'll move towards a magnetic state. So start with the fingers, the wrist, the elbow, move to the shoulders, and then just slowly work through the body, just pulling those joints open. You have to be pulling from the outside. So you'd extend the mind out and then pull from a distance. The greater the distance, it can thin out if you go too far, so a few meters is fine. And just pluck the joints. Pay attention to the energy.